Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to view the password from Discord. It can be done on both iPhone and Android. Please subscribe to the channel. Comment, like. Let's get started. The first way I show on iPhone, the second way I will show on Android. First, we need to go to the settings on our iPhone. Scroll down, find the password tab, click on it. Then Face ID is triggered. Now in the search bar we need to write the word Discord. Click on it. It says username and password below. We click on the password with you, and we can see it. Copy it, and after that we don't need to reset it. We go to some social network. Add it, and it will be automatically added, and we will go in. The second way it works on both iPhone and Android. Go to the browser. It can be any browser. I go to Safari. You can go to Google browser. Type google.com. Further in the upper right corner, open your profile. Manage your Google account. Here you scroll to the side. Click on Security. Scroll down and find Password Manager. And here you'll have your saved passwords that you've ever saved. And in order for us to find a password, we need to write the word Discord. And then we open it up and enter the password for our Gmail account. And now we will be able to see the password to our Discord. This is a simple way to do it. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a like if you liked this video. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.